is a biographical account of Santosh Yadav, the youngest woman in the world to scale Mount Everest. Santosh Yadav is not only the youngest woman to scale Mount Everest, but also the only woman in the world to scale this indomitable peak twice. She belonged to a society where only the birth of boys is celebrated. However, her grandmother sought the blessings of a holy man to welcome a girl child into the family. Santosh was the sixth child born after 5 sons in the small village of Joniawas in Rewari district in Haryana. She was named Santosh, which is a Hindi word meaning contentment. However, little Santosh was not content being part of a very traditional society. From a very young age, she wanted to break free from the constricting traditions. She was confident that if she chose the correct and rational path, others around her would invariably change instead of compelling her to comply. Despite being rich landlords, Santosh's parents followed the family custom of sending all their 6 children to the local village school. When Santosh turned 16, she was pressurized into getting married like the other girls in her village. Santosh refused to get married unless she received a proper education. She left home and took admission in a school in Delhi. Her parents further tried to dissuade her by refusing to pay for her education. Politely but firmly, she told them that she will earn her school fee by doing some part-time job. Her parents finally relented and agreed to pay her school fee. After completing her schooling in Delhi, Santosh moved to Jaipur, where she joined Maharani College. From her hostel room, she could see villagers climbing up the Aravalli hills. This kindled her interest in mountain climbing. One day, she ventured into the mountains and met a group of mountaineers. They happily invited her to join them and even encouraged her to take to climbing. After college, Santosh joined the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering in Uttarkashi. She later apologized to her father for joining it without seeking his permission. Thereafter, there was no looking back for Santosh. She went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skills improved phenomenally. She adapted well to altitude and low temperature, essential for mountaineering. She possessed remarkable mental and physical strength, coupled with determination and diligence. Armed with these qualities, the young 20-year-old Santosh scaled Mount Everest in 1992, only 4 years after she ventured into mountaineering. Santosh's seniors were very impressed by her climbing skills, physical fitness and mental strength. Her fellow climbers were very fond of her because of her team spirit and genuine concern for their well-being. Once, she took special care of a mountaineer whom she could not save unfortunately. She also shared her oxygen with another fellow climber, Mohan Singh, whom she could save. Within 12 months, Santosh got another opportunity to climb Mount Everest as a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition. Santosh is the only woman who scaled the Everest twice.